Hi, this is Angeline here. I have a brand new crafty video with Unity stamp, and today I'm going to show you how to create this nativity scene with some starry sky in the background. So I absolutely love this stamp set by Tara Jackson called the Oh Holy Blessed Night, and I'm grabbing my pencil and Sakura Pigment Micron pen here to draw the stable right behind the nativity scene, and I'm just roughly sketching it out before I use my pen to draw it in. So if you like a more straight looking kind of stable, you could always use a ruler, but because I wanted a rugged look to it, so I'm just sketching it by hand, and then I'm going to use my pen to draw the lines in. Once you're happy with it, grab an eraser and just rub off the pencil marks, and it's time to color it in. Here I'm just using some Copic markers. I'm just going to show you how I colored the entire scene up. You could always use any kinds of markers or color pencils that you already have. So because they are in a stable that I've just created for them, I'm going to add some shadows in the background using some grays here. I'm just starting off with the lightest shade of gray to color up the entire background. Then I'm grabbing a darker shade of gray here to add some shadowing, and you could always go on and adding more and more by adding a darker shade every time you color in, and then just blending it out with the lightest shade. And next I'm coloring in the sky so that it is going to be a dark starry night sky, so that the wise man could find the shining bright star to locate baby Jesus in his manger. So I'm just mixing some blues, purples, and lastly some grays in the end. And as you can notice, when you're coloring with some Copic markers, if you just go straight, you could see the strokes, but if you actually go in circular motions, you could just disguise everything up and it will all blend out together nicely in the end. Finally, I'm grabbing my Copic brush pen in white to create the starry sky. I'm grabbing a scrap piece of paper and an old gift card to just flick off the white onto the card to create my starry sky. So here's my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!